Hussain Rasheed Ahmed, Arabic, -3JF14J number E, born March 18, 1957, is a Maldivian Sunni Islamic scholar, Shaafi'ee school of belief, and political leader in Republic of the Maldives. He is also the first elected president of Adhaalath Party, a political party in the Republic of Maldives known for its Sunni Islamic positions. He is very fluent in Arabic, Urdu, other than Dhivehi Maldivian official language. Sheikh Hussain Rasheed is well known for his controversial public talks on political issues, especially regarding the former President of Maldives, Maumoon Abdul Qayyoom, and his Islamic lectures and sermons, Khutbahs. He's famous as an Islamic religious politician in the Maldives, the only one who can make tough decisions wisely, find sustainable solutions for different types of controversial issues. By some of his supporters. From President Mohamed Nasheed's government, first he was appointed as the co-chair of Riyaasee Commission, then he was appointed as Minister of State for Home Affairs in President Nasheed's government 24 November 2009 to 23 December 2010. 23 December 2010 he was appointed as Minister of State for Islamic Affairs in President Nasheed's government 23 December 2010 to 7 February 2012 as President Nasheed's government was brought down by a coup. Family. Sheikh Hussain Rasheed's father is a famous, well-recognized and respected personality in the south of Maldives, Ahmed Manikvan, Sinu Hithadhuthabajali Thakanuj Ahmed Manikvan. His mother, Aishath Manikvan, Ali Manakuj Aisha Manikvan was a niece of Sheikh Hussain Sharafuddin Al-Azhari, Sheikh Hussain Rahu. He has three brothers, Ibrahim Rasheed Ahmed, eldest brother to Sheikh Hussain Rasheed, Mohamed Rasheed Ahmed, elder brother to Sheikh Hussain Rasheed, and Sheikh Abdul Rasheed Ahmed, younger brother of Sheikh Hussain Rasheed, and 7 children, Aisha Hussain Rasheed, Mohamed Hussain Rasheed, Abdullah Hussain Rasheed, Ibrahim Hussain Rasheed, Ismail Hussain Rasheed, Amina Hussain Rasheed, Amira Hussain Rasheed. Education. Quran, Islamic Studies, Arabic, and Dhivehi language, Maktabul Ulum Aduhithadhu, from his father Ahmed Manikvan. 1970, Madrasatul Husaniya Aduhithadhu. 1971 to 1972, Nurani School Aduhithadhu. Memorizing the Quran, 1972, Jamia Darul Uloom, Dabil Gujarat, India. 1973, Jamia Darul Uloom, Taraj, India. Secondary Higher Secondary, Jamia Darul Uloom Matlawala, Barach, India. BA in Islamic Studies, Jamia Thalim Islamia, Pakistan. Gen.Ed Diploma in Arabic Teaching, Jamia Qur, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Diploma in Arabic and Islamic Teaching, King Saud University, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Occupations. Minister of State for Islamic Affairs in President Nasheed's government 23 December 2010 to 7 February 2012, as President Nasheed's government was brought down by a coup. Minister of State for Home Affairs in President Nasheed's government 24 November 2009 to 23 December 2010, as President Nasheed changed him to Minister of State for Islamic Affairs. Co-chair of Riyaasee Commission in President Nasheed's government. Member of Fiqh Academy Maldives. Former President of Adhaalath Party, 2006 to 2011. Social Services. He is a well-known teacher of so many Maldivians, subjects taught Arabic, Quran, Islamic Studies. He has given so many public, Islamic, lectures and dars, lessons of Islamic knowledge. Published so many books of Islamic knowledge, Dhivehi Baz, Maldivian language, and others. The latest publication he has started is translating Sahih Muslim into Dhivehi, Maldivian language, with explanations in reference on Imam Nawawi's publication. Till now 3 parts of this book has come to the market, out of the 12 parts expected of it. References.